Hello everyone. As you ask me how to make glass and royal glass, or they call it wedding cake decoration glaze. As you saw in last two episodes, I make wedding cake sponge and how to filling, and then wedding cake cover or sugar paste. It's so simple recipe, and I show you how to make the whole techniques and how to use alternatives. This recipe so easy, you will love to do it, and you also can decorate a lot of cookies with this. 300 gram icing sugar or powder sugar, 1 egg yolk, have fresh lemon juice. So this recipe, 3 ingredients: icing sugar, egg white, and lemon juice. You can use a whisk in a KitchenAid, or you can use pedal. I prefer whisk because it makes it more smooth. Egg white and sugar. You start with low speed until combine all. And if you feel that need little egg white, because it depends from the size of the eggs. Some eggs have 30 gram egg white, some eggs have 50 gram egg white, so it's depend about the size of the eggs. Anyway, you can see if needed more, you can add it half eggs or half egg white more, or if you have one big whole egg, you can use the egg white. So with experience, you will know exactly what you want. As you see, I added half egg white and become smooth, soft and nice. I must take a scraper to bring all the edges and the bottom of the bowl to be sure it's all combined together and no dry sugar. So if you don't have fresh lemon, you can use white vinegar, like 10 milliliter. So you can use white vinegar, or you can use citric acid with little powder. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis. I'm pastry champion of Africa 2011, working cruise line everywhere to bring you the original recipe. So please make subscribe if this first time to watch my channel, and I will be very appreciated if you leave comment to tell us what we're doing or what is your opinion. It helps us to grow up and learn from our mistakes. Here, icing sugar is ready, or royal glass, or wedding cake decor. I don't know. Every country call it different. Here I start with plain glass. I close the size. Here I have a round cutter, 6 centimeter diameter. So I make mark first to be sure that all my decor will be the same, so I cannot lose the control, and I make it right. I prefer to put drop of blue color to the glass because the white sugar covered the cake and glass is white, so you cannot have contrast. But it's up to you, you can give the color you want. For me, I prefer light blue. I mix until all combine the nice color. You can see now this is very light blue, and I love this sky color. I put it the piping back, and I start to pipe the cake with, as you see, I start from left to right. Always in cake decorating, start from left to right. And you can see how it's very nice. With practice, you can make amazing job. And I show you, if you make mistake, how like this, if it's cut, with sharp knife, slowly remove from one edge, it will comes all out like this. See? It's magic to use with glaze, royal glass. You can continue. You can make different type. You can search in internet, different type of glaze. You can make decoration. And you can see the blue color make a nice contrast. Hope you enjoy my YouTube channel. Please make sure if you see this video is useful to pastry chef. All the best. I will leave the link below how to make the wedding cake and how to make the wedding cake cover or the sugar best. I wish all of you good, guys.